today with a wig review and a product review. So let's get it started. The wig that I have today is, wrong side, is GLUELESS hair. I had this wig, I just never really, I worn it like once, but I got this like towards the end of last year and just never got around to it. The product that I'm going to be reviewing is the wig dealer. So I got this because I don't really like doing the whole applying glue, you know, the dots and all that other stuff. I just want to spray this stuff on and slap my wig on, you know, and get it going. Like, I don't really have time for 8 layers of dots. Like, it's just too much. So we're gonna get started. Okay, so I got my hair all pulled to the back, and then I have my wig cap on. All right, so okay, so I have the wig on, but I got it back some, and then I pulled my wig cap up a little bit. I like a little bit of my stuff to show. Okay, so and for this wig spray, glue spray, whatever it is, you gotta have a blow dryer. Shake well, spray across the hairline, work in sections. Start with one section and then apply the lace piece, and then dry it with the blow dryer on cool setting. Repeat on the next section until lace is completely adhered. And then lastly, tie down for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. So let's get this started. Let's shake. Shake. I'm an icon. For all the haters. And I believe this wig is a 5x5 lace party. I don't even really care for real. I just don't want my own hair out. Alright, so I'm gonna tie it down and then I'll be back in 15 to 20 minutes. Got my little baby hairs. Let's see. It's on there. Okay, so we got baby hairs. And just to talk about a little bit about GLUELESS hair, it was kind of on the thin side. It was long. It was kind of on the thin side or whatever. So I had to cut it. And then I cut it, and then I kind of put a couple tracks in there because, you know, I can't get down with the extremely thin. God damn. I mean, gosh darn it. So yeah, this is what it look like, y'all. Laid. I like it. It ain't going nowhere. I didn't put that much over on this side, but it ain't going nowhere. I like it because it still did with the like a little white cast or whatever, but I feel like you could put a little oil on that. But this is what I feel like. The wig dealer is a yes, because but people like to do the got to be glue and all the other stuff. But this is I believe this is a black-owned business. Support the black-owned business. I think this was like shoot, I forgot. Probably close to 20 or whatever. And this wig was probably like 100 or something. I put a little oil in there. This is a little wig though. I do like GLUELESS, the way GLUELESS wig feels on my head. Like it's secure. It's secure. Even if I didn't even have no glue, no spray or any glue on the front of it, it feels secure. Like, what? Because there's some wigs that, you know, you put them on and then in the back is like a ton of room. Like, it's not head friendly. Wig, the texture of the wig feels great. It's just when you start getting into those different lengths, it started looking real ski-ish. So I had to go get a little hood and go to the beauty supply store and buy me a pack of weave and put a couple pieces in there, and I dyed the tips. So Julia's wig is cool. You just need to be wary about the lengths and how thin it could be, you know, once you start asking for a 20-inch, 18-inch. It just, I don't like that. And Julia's wigs, this wig stinks. I don't know. I'm giving my honest review. I'm not gonna play and act like, oh, it's the most beautiful thing. Send me a wig that don't stink. Send me a wig that got the length I asked for. Like, give me something that I can say, this is it. You know what I'm saying? Because you ain't representing right. But yeah, girl, wig dealer is the stuff. Can I compare it to Gots to Be? It gives me a little Gots to Be, you know, but still, it's still a good brand. I'll buy this before I buy Gots to Be, you know what I'm saying? It holds. And then I believe you can't get it off unless you shampoo, just like anything else. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get up in the 100Ks one of these days. I'm just trying to show y'all the versatility of my wig. Yeah, no. It's just giving you somewhat real. But yeah, I did try to bleach these knots, but baby, these knots was not playing. But it's gonna be the smell, and the knots gonna be a little struggle. Thanks for watching, and see you in another vid. Bye.